Hi, good morning. My house, there are two bedrooms. There is a kitchen. There is a room. There is a bathroom. There is a living room. One is the main one. The other is the one of the visit. Is the one of the visit. It has a small bed. He has a closet. He has a mirror, boxes, and other elements. In the main one, there are two beds, one hot my white and minute, and the other there is a closet for our baby. The walls are blue and white, a very comfortable a an spacious bedroom. My kitchen has white walls, has a window, has a nice glass stove, a set, brand. There is a large gray refrigerator. There are spoon, tableware, salt. There are delicious meals. We also had metal pot. Heats very wet and night and Holstein remain clean for the good health of my family. There is also a blender, a sambat.